An all-electric indoor pizza oven for my kitchen. Chefman gifted us this, so we can take a look at it and see what's inside. Instruction booklet. I assume this will have recipes. Ah, yes, recipes. I always appreciate that from the manufacturer. And I'll learn how to make my own dough. Another nice accessory from the manufacturer, a pizza peel. One less thing I have to worry about going out and buying. Looks pretty solid. Next is the pizza stone. Looks like a good ample pizza stone. By the way, this will make 12-inch pizzas, which is about the same size as a standard frozen pizza that you get at the grocery store. Ah, the handle for the pizza peel. Screws on nicely. Seems like a good tight pizza peel. And the oven next. Doesn't seem too heavy. That's good because I have a feeling I might be storing this in the pantry next to my kitchen. So lifting it up and carrying it around won't be too bad. Let's measure this so we see what we're talking about as far as fitting it on the kitchen counter and in storage in my pantry. I've got out to the handle, it's 18 inches. The main oven is 16 inches wide, but we got to account for this handle, the other 2 inches. Height, 12 inches. Width, let's go 17, round up to 17. So the distance between the base of the counter and the bottom of the oven is 2 inches, which I think will be ample for ventilation. So let's take a look inside. Oh, nice thick door.
Here's the lower element. Its primary function is to heat the stone. The upper element, which we can't see, heats the oven. The stone fits in easily. Hot stone, crispy crust.
I've plugged this in. I've got a grounded or 3-prong outlet, which this requires. Turn on the power button, then all the manual type and automatic menu shows up. It's lit from behind.
A simple menu. Those presets are a function of time and temperature. Or you can choose manual. The dial on the left sets the lower element temperature for the stone. On the right, we set oven temperature.
The Chefman home slice made a good first impression on me. I like the fact that it's well constructed. It's not too heavy, so I can carry it around if I need to. I like that it has plenty of ventilation. I like the fact that it's electric, so that reduces any possibility of carbon monoxide or fires in the house. I love all the features that it has. I love the Neapolitan option. I love the thin crust option. I love the thicker crust option. And I love the fact that I can do myself a deep dish pizza. This is a standard, in fact, this is a professional deep dish pizza pan. Fits right in there. And if I don't want to mess with any of that, I can do a frozen pizza in here. I can also put a cast iron pan in there and cook some vegetables or chicken or anything else I want. So it is quite versatile and has a lot of different uses. I'm excited to start using this and making some pizzas, but I will say at this point, I'm impressed.